Hey guys, JD123 here, how's it going? So tonight's video is going to be a video of a review of the Papermate Inkjoy Ballpoint pens. These are fantastic pens, I hear. These are the #1 school recommended pens for like if you can like take notes with colors. Because I know many schools don't, but my school does. And you might be like, why are you getting pens now? It's the end of the year. Well, I'll tell you. The zebra pens that I bought for $5 are not worth it. None of them work. You see all that, like, the ink's not even full and I didn't even use this pen. Like, what the heck? So these are garbage. So I decided to get these, so that way they can hold off for the rest of the 2 weeks of school that I have left. And then I'll be able to use them for next year and over the summer if I need them. So, yeah. These are reduced smearing. Try the paper Inkjoy, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So, let's dive into this. I can open it. Wow, okay. I suck at opening packages. Oh my god. Wow, okay. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I got it. Look at all those colors. Fail. Okay, so basically this is the black pen. It's got a little tiny grip on it. It's got, see the little grip on it? These actually come with full ink. I don't know if you can tell on the black pen, but Papermate Inkjoy 300 RT 1.0 millimeters. I guess that's what it is. You gotta take the little tip off of it. I'm gonna do that with all the pens right now. Yeah, let's go ahead and take them all out. This is an epic fail, y'all. Okay. Oh! No! Okay, so I basically got all the pen, the little stubs off the into the tip here, so that way I can write with them. So I'm gonna write down a word and show you all the colors that they have here. It's gonna take me a while. I'm just doing simple hello or hi or whatever you want to call it. I'm just writing hi, so that way you can see what they look like on paper, lined paper. I don't care if they're not, oops, I wrote. Okay. Let's try this again. Starting with all these pens all over again. Oh my gosh. H-I. Green on green. Have you ever like seen people with like that hold their pens like this? It bothers me like crazy. Oh my god, learn how to write with your hands, people. When I was taking the nubs off, I got fail. I already got brown, so I already got blue. There's 3 blues in that package. There's green. God, I can't write today. What's wrong with me? My brain is fried. My favorite one's the purple one because it shows up better. I got that one. Sky blue. Let's do this. Oh, that's pretty. There's another sky blue. Orange. Orange doesn't really show up very well. I just noticed that. There's pink. I think, yeah, both, they come in, they both have, they have 2 of each color, so. Did I get black already? Yeah, I did. Okay. So I write kind of small, but they don't smear at all. It says hi, if you guys don't know, but it's really bad handwriting. Let's write my name in cursive so you guys can see. If y'all didn't realize, my name is Julia. I just go by my initials. There you go. You learned something new about me. And yes, don't think I'm stupid. I can write cursive. Alright? So, looks pretty good to me. So yeah. Comes with 24 pens, 2 colors, or 2 of each color. I'm excited to use these for school. Like, really excited. Why do I always sneeze in videos? Oh my gosh. That's so embarrassing. So yeah. 24 pens. You can get these for $10 at Target. Or wherever you guys go. For groceries or whatever. I personally would get all this for $10 at Target rather than get them for $30 at Office Depot, just because they're the same pen, but I don't want to pay, like, have to pay more for it. So, honestly, they're worth it. So I got my little cute kitty mouse case here. I'm going to stick them all in there. There we go. I got some pens now. 24 of them. That should last me the whole year and a half of next year. So, whole rest of the year and a half of next year. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Please thumbs up and like, share, and subscribe. Well, thumbs up and like are the same thing, but you know what I mean. Please share. And if you haven't already, go subscribe. Okay. Why are my lips blue? Oh yeah, because I had a slushie over there. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!